Ants on your kitchen counter? It's not just irritating, it feels unhygienic in the one place where you cook and serve food. They usually show up because of tiny crumbs, sugar spills, or even a single drop of water left behind. And wiping them away doesn't solve the problem, because they'll be back in no time. Let's see how to get rid of ants on the kitchen counter effectively. The first step isn't killing the ants, it's spotting where they're coming from. Ants usually sneak in through cracks near the sink, windows, or gaps in tiles. If you follow their trail for a few seconds, you'll often find the entry point. Without blocking that entry, any quick fix will only be temporary. When ants are already on the counter, you need an immediate solution. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, spray directly on the ants, and wipe clean. Vinegar doesn't just kill them, it erases the pheromone trail that guides other ants to your counter. That's why it works better than plain water. A big mistake people make is crushing the ants they see. The nest is hidden somewhere nearby, so more ants will keep coming. Unless you erase their trail and block the entry point, they'll return within hours. Ants don't just come out at night, you'll often see them during the day too, especially if there are crumbs, sugar spills, or moisture on the counter. But their activity usually increases at night when the kitchen is quiet and undisturbed. That's why the most effective step is to keep your counter and sink clean both after meals and before bedtime. Now let's talk about easy home remedies and herbal options. For DIY fixes, spray vinegar and water mix on the counter, wipe with lemon juice for freshness, or sprinkle cinnamon powder along entry points. Even bay leaves in the corners work as natural ant repellents. If you prefer ready-to-use solutions, herbal ant repellent sprays are a safe choice for kitchens. One of the most effective is Herbal Natural Ant Repellent Spray. Safe around food, kids, and pets. Just spray it on the counter edges or entry points, and ants stay away without toxic chemicals. To stop ants from returning, focus on prevention, keep the counter dry, ants can smell even a single drop of water. Store sugar, honey, and sweets in airtight containers. At night, sprinkle a thin line of baking soda or cinnamon near the entry point, ants hate crossing it. And if you notice cracks near the sink or tiles, seal them with silicone or putty. That one-time effort keeps ants out permanently. Since this is your cooking space, avoid harsh chemical sprays. Stick to safe natural repellents like lemon juice, peppermint oil spray, or clove oil on cotton balls near entry points. They keep ants away and leave your kitchen smelling fresh. So if you're wondering how to get rid of ants on the kitchen counter, remember, clean their trails, block their entry, and use safe repellents. A spotless counter, sealed cracks, and a few natural tricks are all it takes to stay ant-free. And if you'd like a ready-made solution, I've added the link for Herbal Ant Repellent Spray in the description below. Try it out and enjoy a cleaner, safer kitchen.